reign in our heart forever and ever. Olanrewaju Abdulgani Fasasi, aka Sound Sultan, a great musician, songwriter, rapper. This man just died today, 11th of July, and this is really painful to lose a great man in Nigeria again. Many people have been floating this man picture, video on their timeline today. I'm so sad to hear this news because we are still murmuring Davido manager, aka Obama, DMW 44. We just know say this thing just happen, never tell. Another one can still happen. This is really sad to hear. I greet you all according to your time. If today is your first time coming across my channel, please don't forget to subscribe. And to my returning subscriber, I love you so much. This man died of cancer, and I said let me bring it to you. Let's send our own condolence to his wife. It's really sad though. This man get 3 pikin and only 1 wife. Yes, so 2 boys and 1 girl. Yes, so sad to lose a great man again. I watched the video when they are doing this man funeral burial. Oh my God, I can't really accept it. Really sad. The way the wife is doing, you will know this is unacceptable for the wife. Well, I send my own condolence to his wife. May God strengthen his wife, because it's not easy at all to lose someone wey dey near to you, talk less of your husband. This is sad, my people. Let me leave the video for you to watch and send their own condolence to his family. Pray for them. Yes, God will always be with his family, because this is sad so much. My people, I go see you at the end of this video. Please stay tuned and watch to the end. Don't forget to send your own prayer, your own condolence to them, because this man really worth your 1 minute. I'm telling you, this is a great man in industry. Thanks for watching.
All right, guys, we're back live. So sorry, the other session expired, but we're back live right now.
Check out it's in sorrow. What's in sorrow?
It's on.
Okay, he's talking now. Okay, don't try not to batch it.
This is the family.
Only can be fun.
She's not gonna take it now right now.
You're not mute.
It's not even mute.
It's not even mute. Right.
We can hear you. Okay. Just keep it on. Keep your side on mute, please.
No, a sọ fún àwọn apẹ ìbọ̀bọ̀ yẹn tá a bá ti rí.